Hi, this is Gareth from JBT Marine. This is a short video showing you this Sessa Oyster 30 doing some manoeuvres here at Trafalgar Wharf. Boat's been owned by a chap who's kept her here indoors for a few years now. Very elegant boat, like most Italian boats, or Italian style boat should I say. Twin Volvo engines through twin stern drives. Maintenance has been carried out by a local engineer, Volvo specialist, and this boat has recently had some checkovers done to ensure that everything is all good for the next prospective owner. If you've got any questions about the boat, then do give us a shout on 02392 39700. Trials are available for serious buyers. I hope this video helps. Many thanks.